When friends told a man he couldn't fulfill his dream of building a luxury house out of shipping containers, he proved them wrong and created a masterpiece. It took 2 years to build the large house in Vancouver, Washington, and now the labor of love is listed for $2 million. HGTV featured it during construction on the first season of its show, Container Homes. 11 shipping containers of different colors make up the 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom house. But this isn't modern industrial. The home features lots of wood and Asian influences, like a Japanese garden, Tibetan prayer wheels, and a Japanese tea room. While sitting in the sunken conversation pit inside, it is possible to see fish from the outdoor koi pond through aquarium-style glass. The kitchen is actually 3 separate areas, one for prepping, one for cooking, and another for eating and entertaining. Some parts of the house reveal their container origins, but other parts, with drywall and wood, feel more like a traditional home. The ceilings are all at least 9 feet high, with large windows. The master bedroom is its own elevated container, painted with koi fish on the outside. With a view of the trees from the windows, it feels like a treehouse.